This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about beverage dispensers, specifically this BevTech beverage dispenser. It's a 2-gallon square clear dispenser that comes with an infusion core and also a bamboo base. It's 9 3/4 inches deep if you're measuring from the spout to the back. It's 8.5 inches square on the top and 22 3/4 inches tall. It's also available in a 3-gallon size that comes with a white base or a 2-gallon option that comes with a clear base. The clear acrylic that these dispensers are made from is not only attractive, but also shatterproof, while showing off all your lovely drinks as well. So it's a really fantastic look that also lets you know when it needs to be filled or refilled during service. It's easy to spot even from across a busy room. It also comes with an infusion core, and you can use the unit with it or without it. But this infusion core is really great to pack with things like citrus fruit, think lemons, limes, oranges, whatever your heart desires, or a variety of other kinds of fruits. And you can use it to easily make infused waters, teas, things like sangria or punch, and you never have to worry about that fruit clogging up the spigot, and it also gives you a nice, beautiful display internally. The bamboo base that this is on adds a nice, natural touch of warmth to the display, and the spigot is elevated, meaning that it's easy for your guests to get their cups underneath and dispense their beverage. It's perfect for use on buffets, in restaurants, at hotels and B&Bs, even in the office if you're trying to encourage your employees to stay hydrated during the day, at spas and salons to make lovely infused waters to offer to their customers, or even at catered functions, whether that's an informal brunch buffet to a lovely evening affair.